In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ManyChat for Instagram DMs. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to connect your Instagram account, set up a simple automated reply, and customize it so it actually feels helpful and on brand. First, log into your ManyChat account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the settings option. It's usually represented by a little gear icon. Go ahead and click that. This is where you control all the foundational parts of your account, including which platforms are connected. Inside settings, look at the left panel again and find the section called Channels. Under Channels, you'll see Instagram listed as one of the options. Click on Instagram. Here, you want to make sure your Instagram account is properly connected to ManyChat. If it's not connected yet, follow the prompts to link your Instagram business or creator account. This connection is what allows ManyChat to send and receive DMs on your behalf. Once your Instagram is connected, move back to the left panel and click on Automation. This is where all your existing automations are stored. You'll see a list of any flows or automations you've already created. To add a new one, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on New Automation. A pop-up window will appear. At the top of this pop-up, make sure Instagram is selected as the channel. On the left side, you'll see filters. Choose the DM filter so that you only see templates triggered by direct messages. ManyChat offers several options here, but for this tutorial, choose the template that responds to all your DMs. This is a great starter automation because it ensures no message goes completely unanswered. Now you're inside the editor. On the right side, you'll see a preview of what your automation will look like to your audience. On the left side, you'll set up all the details. Start by choosing what someone has to type to trigger this reply. You can enter specific keywords like price, link, or shop. Think about the most common questions you get and add those words here. Next, customize the reply they'll receive. You might write something like, "Hey there, thanks for your interest in our products. Here's how you can shop with us." Then, click to add a link. A pop-up will appear where you can enter a button label, such as "Shop here," and paste in the appropriate link to your website or product page, then save it. From here, you can expand your automation. You can set up follow-up messages to re-engage people and build trust over time. You can automatically ask them to follow your account to grow your audience. You can also ask for their email address inside the DMs if you want to stay in touch beyond Instagram. When you're happy with how everything looks and functions in the preview, head to the top right corner and click Go Live. That activates your automation. From that moment on, when someone sends you a DM that matches your trigger words, ManyChat will automatically respond with the message and link you set up.